So now you've been able to watch these tutorials that we just finished. Great. This is where some of the good things are. In Alephium right now, there is a hackathon that is taking place, and you can be a partaker of this hackathon. That you have people can win up to 20,000 USD, you understand, in Alephium token. Right now, if you go to the link, I'm going to show you all that. I think you can see it from here. You just go to Twitter and you look through the thread of Alephium. You can see the requirements that is needed for you to be a participant and a winner in this hackathon that just began today. So 10 people are going to be winning 20,000 USD, and that's quite, a good money, if you win. The first winner will take home 5,000 USD. That's pretty cool, you understand? And then it's going to also be shared amongst other winners as well. So second and third position can win 2525, 2.5k USD, and then the rest of the 10 people, which is from fourth down to the 10th person, get to go home with 1,000k USD each. So I encourage you to look at that. Okay, join if you want to, and build something really cool. Why So Serious is the title of the hackathon. You're going to get more information by just looking through it, and you're going to enjoy it. If you really have the passion to pursue it, I believe that you can win something in this hackathon. So why don't you check it out? All right, so with that said, I will see you in the next part of this tutorial. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the notification bell as well. Please, we have Discord channel. If you have any questions, you can also drop questions directly on the Discord channel. That is where we can attend to you more meticulously. All right, so with that said, bye bye.